day, everyone. Today is September 22nd, 2025. This is part number 1. There's no economic reports to speak about. However, we will look at the chart of gold, daily chart, which continues to rip to the upside with no end in sight so far. Clearly, we can see the support channel on gold, which starts right here. Today, that is, keeps rising. So today, it's about 35.05, heading down to about 34.10. That's where the support is. Very far from it now. We are at 37.15 or so. So what does that mean? The trend is clearly up. I'm talking about looking ahead, weeks or months ahead. Whoever is trying to hold a trade for a few weeks or more should be aware of this chart. Last time and the time before, gold was able to rise about 14% above the white line. The white line is the 50 daily EMA. This is a 50 moving average, 50-day moving average. It rose about 14% above it before it peaked and dropped back into the channel, the support zone, support channel. Right now, we are only 5 or 6% above that. If we add 14% to where we are now, the target is 39.50. 39.50, we might hit a major resistance level on the daily charts. And then we can see the market probably pulling back into this channel again in the future. So if you're doing holding anywhere from days to weeks to longer, you need to be aware of this chart and know that at 39.50 or so, above 3900, be careful when you're long. This does not mean the market cannot go higher. Of course not. But it means the risk is much higher at that time of a pullback. And unless we go back into the zone, there's no need to take a chance and buy and hold. Now, if you're doing daily trading, day by day, day trades, of course, you just set the risk, understand the risk, and manage it that way. And you can trade from any side you want. You'll be wrong sometimes. At least you know what the max loss will be or the limit. So for today, gold is moving within $43 per day on average. I'm talking about the XAU here. We will set the risk at 40%. We always do. That is 17.2 move, $17.20 move on the price of gold against our entry. That's when we will close this trade and exit it. That's the max loss. As far as the S&P, it moves within 48 points. Therefore, the risk will be 19.2 points against our position. As far as the NASDAQ, it moves 280 points. Therefore, the risk will be set at 110 points against our position on the day trade for today. As far as which trend the markets will go, we will know once we gather more data. Around 10 a.m. Eastern time, we will have that for you. Until that time, I wish everyone the best of luck and thank you.